What's up? Do you want to eat oyster? Well, actually, today we have very good oyster, which is rock oyster from Nagasaki prefecture. Nagasaki is famous for rock oysters. The size is quite big, one of the biggest oyster I have shocked. It is very meaty, just like the oyster steak. Would you like to try one? Okay, I'll be right back. Let's shuck this giant oyster. I'm not sure if I could shuck this though. Muscle should be around here. Let's get in. That was much easier than I expected. I expected much more hardcore battle. Cut off the muscle on the top shell. Wow, it is indeed giant. Eggs are flooding. Cut off the muscle on the bottom. Big oyster's muscles really tough. It is difficult to cut them off. Wash this oyster just in case, because rock oysters are muddy. It's done. Okie dokie, let's shuck another one. This oyster is from Nagasaki, and Nagasaki has the longest coastline in Japan. Nagasaki is actually famous for rock oysters, since oysters are grown up in Rias Coast and Tsushima Current. Furthermore, very rich nutritional water are coming in to this area from mountain. Oh my gosh, this shell is really tough. Finally. Looks so meaty. Cut off the muscle in the bottom. Here is scale, tend to be muddy. It's done. This time, I will make cocktail sauce. Add chili sauce, tomato sauce, horseradish. This guy's sticky. Add a bit of Tabasco. Mix them all. I find cocktail sauce goes very well with meaty oyster. They're ready to go. Here we go. Thank you very much for your patience. Now oysters are ready. This is the oysters from Nagasaki prefecture. They are the rock oyster. It's really big and it's giant oyster. I don't think you can eat it with only one bite. So when you eat it, please use a knife and cut it 2 or 3. These oysters are really meaty. I don't think it's briny, so you can put the lemon on it. If you like a bit of strong flavor, please use the cocktail sauce. Okay, enjoy. How's the taste?
美味しい。
Okay, we have another oyster, so let me try this one too. Okay, let's try. Oh, this must be really meaty. It's like really creamy. Well, it's like drinking the milk. Wow. And also it's really meaty. And it's not briny though, but so good. Okay. Let's try with this cocktail sauce. This cocktail sauce goes very well with this raw oyster. Wow, it tastes like way beyond from what I imagined. It was really good. Thank you very much for stopping by today. The oyster from Nagasaki prefecture is really good. It is like really meaty, and the gonad was like exploding inside your mouth. If you like the creamy side oyster, definitely you should try this. If you like this video, please thumb up and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.